Hello everyone, welcome you all, and today we will discuss how to register on FIPNext exchange and buy a FIPcoin. For that, go to fipnext.com. This is how the site looks like. Here are some highlights and market updates. So if you're already registered, you can just click on login and log in through email here. But if you are new, then click on sign up. Right now, FIPNext is offering registration through emails. Click on email and enter your basic details here, like your name, your email which you want to register. So after entering this email, when you click on get OTP, a verification code will be sent on your email address. It might take a couple of seconds, so wait for it. Till then, you can select different options, like you can join as an ambassador or as an investor who believes in the future prospect of the project, as an affiliate or as a trader who wants to play the Month of Liking. So I am registering through investor here. Enter your password here. Make sure it should be strong enough to meet all this listed criteria. If you have any invitation code, you can enter it here. Otherwise, it is not a mandatory field. Enter your verification code here. After reading all the terms and conditions, check this box and click on sign up. And here your registration is successful. Now, to buy a FIPcoin, what you have to do is you have to copy this unique identification number. This is copied. Go to FIPcoin website. Here you have to enter your UID that you have copied. So after entering, you can select your value which you want to buy. Now make sure your wallet is connected, otherwise connected as I have explained earlier in this video. And after clicking on buy token, when you click on confirm, then your transactions will get listed on FIPNext exchange. So the only difference here is, earlier you were checking your transaction on BSC scan, but now after confirming this, you will see all your tokens on FIPNext. After successful transaction, it will be listed on BSC scan, and simultaneously your FIPcoins will be displayed on FIPNext as well. So this is how you can buy FIPcoin from FIPNext exchange. Hope you got an idea of the process, and if you have any queries, then do let us know.